Namaste everyone. Welcome to day 2. Our today focus will be digestion. So get ready. Rest your hands on the knees. With a few deep inhale and deep exhale, become aware of entire pranic body. Your focus will be navel, and our first practice will begin with some few Manipura, fire energy activation, the solar expansion. So first become aware of the navel and few deep inhale and exhale at this point. Make sure that your entire focus is there. There's no any other thoughts. And now, just to activate the fire, deep inhale and lift your shoulder, lean little forward, press the knee, tuck the chin down and take your stomach in as possible. Make sure that it's with inhalation. Hold the breaths there, few seconds. And now release the shoulder, relax the head, and then exhale, complete. Once again, deep breath in. Lift the shoulder, press the knee, head down, and suck the belly in. Hold 10 seconds. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now first you relax your shoulders, relax your neck, and then exhale, complete. Once again, inhale, lift your shoulders, hold your breath in, tuck the chin down, suck the belly in. I would request you to lean a little forward while you press your knee. It will align the spine. And the entire work will be focused on navel. Now with relaxing shoulder, relaxing head, you will exhale now completely. And few breathe in, breathe out. Once again, deep inhale. Same process, lift your shoulder, align the spine, press the knee, chin down and suck the belly in. Hold few seconds more. Become aware of that pressure that you are creating while you hold and sucking the belly in. That will activate the fire element and improve the entire pranic expansion. Now relax and then exhale, complete, full exhalation. Again, one more. Inhale, belly in, and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Just relax the shoulder first, lift your head, and then exhale, complete. Full exhalation. Now lift your hand and make a fist by placing the thumb to the root of your small finger and lean to the right side by pressing your right forearm. Left hand on the hip, left side. Now few Kapalbhati in this position by leaning on the right side. Full exhale. Now, slowly come back to center. Relax for a few seconds here. And do the same repetition left side. Make a fist with the left hand. Adi Mudra. Placing the forearm on the left thigh, right hand on the right waist. And little lean to the left side. And again, Kapalbhati. Now, slowly come back to center, both hands on your knees. Now here, if you want, just take one deep inhale and mouth exhale, just to relax. Now both hands to the side and slowly, gently open your legs straight front of you. With a deep inhale, we will raise the arms over the head into Paschimottanasana. With exhale, touch the hands on the toe wherever you can reach, head down. Few repetitions. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. Make sure that you are not pushing yourself a lot. You are just taking easy. If you cannot reach the foot, you can just touch the toe. If you cannot touch the toe, just you can touch the ankle or the knee, wherever you can reach. At the end, just grab the foot and lift the head up. With exhalation, release the hands. Now, in Mandukasana, place the fist below the navel and just deep inhale. Lift your chest and belly, and as you exhale, head down. Press the belly in. Inhale, head up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Few movements. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Here, make sure that your stomach is fully clean. You're not having any kind of heaviness at your stomach region. Once you are done, few rounds, 3 to 5, then relax the hands down. Now slowly raise the hands and lying position all the way, going into Halasana with raising hands. And when you come up, with exhalation, Paschimottanasana. We will repeat this movement. Inhale, going lying position, Halasana, raising arms, touch the toe to the fingers. And as you exhale, all the way Paschimottanasana. I want to make it very clear that these movements are sometimes challenging. So take, if you can do, and do with your own pace. No need to be fast like I'm showing in the video. You can go with your own pace. It is completely fine. With exhalation all the time forward, with inhalation all the time backward. This is a very important movement to activation of the fire element. Very important. It will help you to improve the overall body heat, purifies the blood, improve the circulation from the navel to every part of the body. Now at the end, exhalation, stay at Paschimottanasana, falling forward with curve back and few deep breath here. Few deep inhalation, deep exhalation. This sequence you are learning today is very important. Those who are having weak digestion, low metabolic rate, heaviness on the stomach all the time. Now inhale, come up and release the hands. Slowly, exhalation, you are going down into Shavasana. For the next movement, bend your right knee, grab the knee. With exhalation, head goes to the knee. Left leg will be straight. Inhale, head down, and exhale, touch the forehead. Inhale, head down, and exhale, touch the forehead to the knee. If you cannot reach, don't worry. Just wherever you can reach, go that much up. No need to push yourself. With the time, you will improve. Every time inhale, you will go down, and every time exhale, you will go up. And go with your own pace. You can go for 5 to 10 rounds. If you are a very beginner, go for 5. And at the end, you stay there by touching the forehead or the chin. 5 to 10 breaths you will stay. As I said, go with your own pace. No need to stay 10. You can go for 5. You can go for 7. Just few breaths. At least go for above 5. Breathe in, breathe out. Now inhale, head down, and slowly release this leg straight down. Same with the left. Bend your left knee, interlock. Inhale deeper in Shavasana, and exhale. Inhale, head down, and exhale. Inhale, head down, and exhale. Inhale, head down. Exhale, up. Inhale, head down. Exhale, up. Inhale, head down. Exhale. Inhale, head down. Exhale, and now this time we will stay here. As I said, you can even touch the chin if you can, just to stay 5 to 10 deep inhale and exhale. Of course, here your breath will not be that much deep, so do not worry, you can take it short breath. The important is that you are staying in the pose and maintaining this stability to let the asana work deeper. Now with inhalation, head down. Exhalation, legs straight. Now let's try to go with both legs bending. Bend your knees. Lift the foot and hold the knee. Deep inhale, and with exhale, touch your chin between the knees. Inhale, head down. Exhale, up. Inhale, down. Exhale, up. Inhale, down. Exhale, up again. Inhale, down. Exhale, up. Inhale, down. Exhale, up. And now maintain here few breaths. As I said, you can do even 5 movements and then hold. No need to do 10 or 7. See how you can do and how comfortable you are while doing. With the time, you increase in numbers. Maintain the few simple, soft breathing here. Observe the stomach. Now with inhalation, slowly head down. And with exhalation, straight leg release. Relax few breaths here. Now, slowly, second variation, bend your right knee. This time you will grab the ankle. And this time you will come little more up till the lower back. With exhalation, touch the forehead. Inhale, head down. Push the ankle against the hand and see how I'm coming slowly up. Inhale, head down. And continue few more. Exhale up. Inhale. And exhale, coming up. More up. Inhale. And exhale, coming up. Before you were just bringing the knee towards the head. This time you're bringing the head towards the knee more higher. Stay the same way as you did before. Breathe soft and deep. Breathe soft and deep. Hold a stable pose. Let the asana work deeper. Few more breaths. And now inhale. Head down, and exhalation, release. Same with the left one. Bend your left knee. Grab the ankle, shin bone. With exhalation, you slowly coming up. Inhale, again down, and 10 times. Go up and come down. All the time when you inhale, you are down. When you exhale, compression on the stomach, you are up. And see, in this position, I'm trying to lift even the upper back. In previous variation, I was just lifting the head. Upper back was resting on the ground. Now stay here. After 10 or even 5, you can do the movement. Breathe slow and deep. Slow and deep. Just hold the pose with a stability. Slow and deep. And now slowly inhale, head down. Exhale. Release. Now bring your legs together for the next movement. And with a deep inhale, both legs straight up. You can even go with bending knee if you're a beginner. Bend your knee. And then try with slowly lifting the foot up with bending knee. Press the palm and lift the buttock higher. If you are going with a straight leg, go straight leg and bring your leg towards the face with lifted buttock. And exhale all the way down with a straight leg or bending knee, as I said before. You can try with bending knee also, like I'm showing now. You can bend the knee and lift the buttock up by pressing the hands and lift the buttock like that. And then exhalation down. You can even bring the hands to the side and then try, or hands down, then try. See which one is comfortable for you. Let's try with the straight leg with me. Those who can, inhale straight, press the palm and come up. Then exhale, release. Here I want to tell you how the breath will work. With inhalation, you will lift the leg 90 degree. And now from here, with exhalation, you press the palm and lift the buttock up and touch the knee to the face. And then inhale center, exhale down. Actually, you have to break the breath into two ways. Half inhale when you leg 90 degree. Exhale and you push and come up. Inhale when you are coming to center 90 degree. Exhale, slowly lower the leg. And as I said, for beginner, bend the knee and do the same movement. Inhale, center. Exhale, touch. No need to touch the legs on the ground on the back. Bend the knee if you cannot. Or straight leg. Even you can support the back. See how I'm holding? Like that. And hold the position. Either hands down or hands on the back or buttocks. And those who can do without holding the buttock, hands down and hold. Few breaths. And exhale all the way down. Relax here. Relax the legs. Slowly palm facing up. And this is our final relaxation. Relax completely. Even you can stretch the hands as a counter pose of all what you did. Stretch the belly, which will release the tension out from the center body. In this position, tummy automatically goes in. Spend time a little bit here. If you feel a little tension on the back or on the belly, this is a perfect stretching pose in lying position. Spend a little time. Now relax the hands down. Palm facing up. Few breaths, stay here in Shavasana. Just observe the entire body, the belly, the back, where you are working, and make sure that they are relaxed completely and you are relaxed mentally also. Just remember how was the practice, how enjoyed, and with that positive environment around you, please bend the knee and stay few more breaths here, just to feel comfortable. And once you are relaxed, you can turn the body any side, either right or left, and again spend a little time by keeping one hand under the ear with bending knee. Once you feel comfortable, just slowly sit up into sitting position, Padmasana, Sukhasana, Siddhasana. And now the time to observe. Observe the navel area where you are working. That is the area of fire. That is the area of life. That is the area of that energy which keeps us alive. The same energy which is responsible for digestion. Become aware of that area and meditate with interlocked fingers. Spend time. Stay silent. Each breath from navel in, each breath from navel out, each breath from navel in, and each breath from navel out. And now, thanks to all the practice, thanks to you that you have joined this class, and I will see you again in the next class. Namaste.